Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest gadgets and tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to use the Zip Card in 2025. If you're someone who's always on the go and needs a secure, fast way to handle payments, this video is perfect for you. The Zip Card is the newest innovation in digital wallets, packed with features like biometric security, contactless payments, and even integrated rewards. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to get your Zip Card. Head over to the official Zip website or app and sign up. It's super straightforward. Just enter your details, verify your identity, and choose your card design. Once you receive it in the mail, the fun begins with activation. Open the Zip app on your smartphone, scan the QR code on the back of your card, and follow the prompts to link it to your bank account or digital wallet. This usually takes less than a minute. Now, for everyday use. Using your Zip Card is as easy as waving it near a reader. For in-store purchases, hold it up to the payment terminal. Thanks to NFC technology, it'll handle the transaction securely without any physical contact. Online, just add your card details to your favorite shopping sites or use the Zip app for one-tap checkouts. Don't forget about the advanced features in 2025, like facial recognition for added security or automatic rewards that cash back into your account. One tip. Always keep your app updated for the latest security patches. If you run into issues, like a declined transaction, check the app's troubleshooting section or contact support directly. There you have it. Using the Zip Card in 2025 is a game changer for hassle-free payments. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it's working for you. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.